What's poppin', Diva gang? How are y'all doing today? So we're gonna be making these nails. My housemate and I and her friend had a little girls weekend, so stay tuned to the end for a little mini vlog if you want to see that, featuring these cute nails that I made. So I already prepped my tips using my primer and base coat. Now I'm going to paint on my first layer of gel polish. We're gonna be doing a triple ombre today, and to be honest, I didn't really know what I was doing when I went in to create these nails. I just knew I wanted to use this lavender color, and I did know that I wanted to do some airbrush of some kind. So yeah, it's interesting. I really kind of like winged it with these. I was thinking about what I was gonna do for these nails for weeks, really, and yeah, this is what I ended up coming up with, so I hope you guys like it. So I'm doing 2 coats of this lavender purple color, and if you're wondering where this is from, I actually got it in a spring gel polish set from Beetles. If you want the link, just let me know in the comments and I'll give you that. So yeah, now I'm going in with my first layer for my airbrush. Y'all have seen this before. I'm pretty much just mixing the color with acetone, and I used a lot of gel polish just because, you know, to make sure it covered really good. Y'all know I pre-film a lot of my stuff, so by the time this video comes out, I should have a video up about like airbrush for beginners. So if that's out, I'll link it in the cards. But this is gonna be kind of like the nail bed color, and it's just like it's like something between a hot pink and a fleshy pink, you know, like it's not quite a fleshy pink, but it's not quite a hot pink either. So yeah, I did kind of have to go in a couple different times and add some more gel polish to my little mixture solution and just make it more opaque. Yeah, this is how my ombre is coming out so far. That's like the first color. That's what I started out with. And I was just going to go in and do some like airbrush designs with some stencils over that. But I ended up adding another color, which you'll see in a second. I kept that, some of that pink that was in there. I just left it in there. And then I mixed it with this juicy pastel red color. I'm really loving this color. I'm thinking I might wear it for my graduation. But yeah, it's like a juicy kind of like pastel red. I'm sorry guys, it's really early in the morning when I'm recording this voiceover and my mind is a little all over the place. It's the end of the semester. I have so much work to do today and I just don't want to do any of it. Yeah, so this red color is going to be the middle color. Now, I thought about adding like a really light, real light, maybe like a pastel baby blue between the red and the purple. I ended up not doing that though. So let me know how you feel about these colors that I chose, because I don't know, I just didn't really feel like it was necessary. I was really feeling this kind of triple color thing I had going on. And yeah, so I spent a lot of time figuring out what to do with the nails at this point. And I finally decided on doing some 3D flower nail art. And I just want to say that I'm very happy and pleased with the way that my flowers came out. I do feel like they came out better on the left hand than on the right hand. Which you'll see a little later, but I only showed one hand in this video because it did kind of take me a while to get the hang of the technique and the shape of the petals. And it's funny because for a long time I was really averse to using sculpture gel for 3D flowers because I don't know, I guess I just kind of felt like it was cheating. I wanted to learn how to do the real thing, but honestly this is just as good if not better. So if you're struggling with doing like 3D nail art, I highly recommend you getting some 3D sculpture gel and give this a try. And basically I wanted to do some, I don't know what kind of flowers these are that I'm trying to do, but I wanted to do some flowers with like, I didn't want the petals to be too round. I wanted them to kind of come to a point towards like the end or whatever. I don't even know if that's the word you would use, but yeah. Yeah, I kind of just did like one flower and then I carried it, and then I figured out the placement for the next flower. So that's kind of what's going on here. Can you guys hear the birds chirping? Wow, they just stopped. But anyway, yeah, so like I said, I really love the way that these flowers came out. I'm really happy with my decision to actually add in these flowers, and I really don't know where it came from. I was kind of just, after I finished that multicolor ombre, I was kind of just going through my nail art drawer and seeing what I had on hand and what made sense to do with these, I guess, and the vibe that I was trying to go for. And I just wanted to do something real cute, real girly, real eye-catching. You know, I wanted to have some nails that when I look down at them, they made me happy. And these nails definitely do that. I'm really satisfied with the way that they came out. I think they're super cute. They're super obnoxious. I got a lot of compliments on these actually when I went to the mall. A lot of cashiers and things like that were telling me that they liked my nails. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the way that these came out. I really enjoy just looking at the color combo that I used. Comment below if you think I should have added blue, or if you think they look good without it. Do you think they would have looked better with blue? I kind of feel like it would have messed up the vibe that I was going for a little if I had added blue. And I know it's not really the softest transition. It's not the best ombre, but it definitely could be worse. It could be a lot worse. Now I remember what I was saying earlier. Sorry, that was super random. But basically, when I was spraying that red color in the middle, I discovered that, you know, I'm a little heavy-handed with stuff, and you don't always necessarily have to pull back would it be the trigger or the lever of the airbrush? You don't necessarily have to pull it back super far. That could be another reason why maybe your airbrush is giving you such a hard time. I feel like when you pull it back super far, too much of the alcohol and the mixture and the product comes out at once, and that's what can kind of make it not stick to the nail or give you like, what's the word I'm looking for? Make it kind of splotchy, I guess. So, little tip for ya. But yeah, back to these flowers. I'm using, to mold these flowers, I didn't even tell you guys what I was using, but I'm using this little silicone tool that actually just came with my sculpture gel. I'll link the sculpture gel that I'm using below. I used it in another video before where I did like some sweets nails, and I used it to make my own cabochon. So I'll link that in the cards if you want to check it out. But yeah, as you can see, they're coming out super cute. I kind of wanted to go like across the nail, but it kind of just ended up going down the side, which is fine. I mean, it's still super cute, but yeah, that's kind of what ended up happening. But comment below if you think I should have used another color to do the flowers, because at first I was going to do pink, but then I was like, I feel like there's enough pink vibes going on in these nails. And can someone tell me why? Can someone please tell me why my nails are giving me Powerpuff Girl vibes? Why are they giving me Powerpuff Girl vibes? Because they're not Powerpuff Girl colors, are they? They're not. So why are they giving me Powerpuff Girl vibes so hard? Like every time I look at them, I'm thinking about like those Powerpuff Girl sheets that we had as a kid, or we knew someone that had them, and I feel like they had these colors in them. They're giving me real strong Powerpuff Girl vibes. And it's interesting because I was just talking to someone the other day, and I was telling them that I want my next room to be Powerpuff Girl themed, like when I move out of college. If you guys can hear my stomach growling, I'm so sorry. I'm starving. But when I move out of college, I want my room to be like Powerpuff Girl themed. So now that I'm done molding my flowers, they came out super cute. I'm just going in with some really tiny AB flatbacks for the middle part of the flowers. What's that part called? The middle of the flower. I'm not a flower and an anatomy person. What are they called? Yeah, I'm just using those to make like the middle of the flowers. I thought about using like some gold caviar beads too, but I think I'm gonna save that for another look. And like I said, I really enjoyed making these flowers. I enjoyed using the sculpture gel. I feel like they came out really cute. They could be better, of course, but I'm super happy with them. Like, I don't feel embarrassed walking around with them on my nails. So expect to see some more sculpture gel flowers in the near future, because it's just super cute and it was super easy to do. It's like nail art for dummies, you know? So definitely be looking forward to more sculpture gel flowers. So this was my finished results. Yeah, and I just think they all look super cute together. I was really happy with the way it was coming together at this point. This was the left hand, the one that I said came out better, this one here. That was when I had gotten the hang of the technique a little bit more, so I definitely feel like it came out just a little bit better. So now this is how our design is looking so far, and I was gonna just leave them like this, but I found this holographic top coat from Macart, and this is just me comparing like regular top coat, hollow top coat, regular top coat, hollow top coat, and ultimately I did decide to go with the holographic top coat. And y'all have seen me mix like a holographic glitter to make a top coat like this before, but it honestly doesn't compare. This top coat is so soft and my nails look like candy, to be honest. It gives me real strong candy vibes. So I did put one coat of that on every nail that didn't have flowers and cure it for 60 seconds, and I feel like it really gave something special to this ombre. I do feel like it made it pop. So I'm really happy with my decision to do that. I'm really happy just looking at it on my nails right now. So yeah, I did go in with some regular top coat after that though, just because there is a slight texture. It's really nothing bothersome or to even pay that much attention to, but it is there. So I did just want to seal in that other top coat with some regular top coat, and I did put some regular top coat over those flowers as well. And I know a lot of people get a little finicky about putting, well, at least I was a little worried about putting top coat on my flowers because I thought they would lose their definition, but they actually didn't. They're still very defined. You can still see the the ridges and the texture in the flowers very clearly. So if that's something you're worried about, it wasn't really a problem for me in this case. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going over that holographic top coat with a coat of regular top coat, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. And I just want to say that I thoroughly enjoyed making and wearing these nails. It's so funny, whenever I'm trying to think of a design, it takes me so long to make up my mind and figure out what I want to do, because the world of nail art is so extensive, and I don't be liking to do just no regular stuff, okay? I need something original, I need something fresh, I need something eye-catching, and I need something cute, and I need sparkles, and I need glitter, and I need bling, and I need everything. So yeah, it's funny how long it takes me to think of these things, and then when I finally get them done, it just be everything I wanted it to be, but I'd be so nervous about it. I don't know. I feel like I'm rambling right now and I'm not really making sense, but yeah, so after I top coated and cured for 60 seconds, I did file the tops just to reinforce that shape at the free edge. So that's what you see me doing here. And I don't have the footage of me cleaning them with alcohol, but I did also go in and clean them with alcohol so that they could be nice and shiny. And then, oh, so I made these nails. Let me know if you want to see a tutorial on these nails. I wasn't sure if it'd be worth your time or not, but let me know if you want to see the tutorial on these nails that I made. And this is the final result. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Can I work it? How do you feel about these nails? Are they too loud for you? Are the colors doing too much? I feel like they're super cute and I love them for spring. If you're still here, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this little mini vlog of my little girls weekend. And I love you so, so, so much. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you don't miss any notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.